Okay, hi. Now we want to talk about the fixed DC system. We can see, first of all, this is the cooling system of the fixed DC. It needs only to get electricity here. See, this is the cable that we connect for electricity, and 6 millimeter of dry air connecting here on the back. Here we have the connector of TCP/IP communication, and we are using this to regulate the airflow of the perch. We'll talk about it later. Okay. First, you can see that it's very low weight. You can pick it without less than 10 kilo. Okay, so you have to be strong to do it. From the fixed DC, we have the line of the hose. That inside this one, we're using gas. Freon gas go into that, and this is the main of the system. This is the thermal head. So let's talk about this thermal head. First of all, you can see that we just have to do this one and take it out. Very simple. And to replace it back, just to put it like that, and that's it. It's locked. That's all that the user have to do. Up, out, in, and lock. Now let's talk about it. Inside the thermal head, we have the pedestal that is cooling the gas cooled this copper that you see here, and this is the area that touch the device. This is the device that we have to cool, and this pedestal touching, you can use thermal grease or thermal pad between them, but you can do it without it. It depends of the client, and this is touching the device and cooling it. In any board that the client have, you have to let us connect between. Here we're doing it with 4 holes that we use in screw. We built for this client a full system that we can see that inside we have a connector of dry air too. We'll talk about it immediately. See? And we done all this just for giving the press that when you press on this device, it will not break the device. Now, inside in this system, we have a piston that when we are using the system, the customer can decide what pressure you want to use. That means that, let's turn it off. That means that he can decide that here it's 14 kilo and temperature. He just press on the button, decide that he want 10 kilo, enter, and you want it minus 40. Okay, that's all. Now you just have to push the start. Okay, we can see that the system reached to minus 40 now, and it's stable temperature. Okay, now you can see the head here. First of all, we will release the pressure by pushing it for 3 seconds. Now the pressure is down, and we can open it, and you can see that here this is minus 40. Okay, and more very important thing, yes, here we have active heat to prevent humidity on this side of the head. All the head you can see dry, but here now after we open it, we can see that it's starting to freeze Yes, the humidity became twice, it became white. And let me show you that we press the pressure. Now you see that it's moving. You see that it's moving? You see the head? Okay, that's what's happening inside. Okay. Where is it now? Okay. And the important thing that
Can you show it again, please?
Yes, I can do it again. It's fresh. The pressure is starting to push the piston, and this is how it's pressing the device. Okay.
Okay, you can release.
Okay. Now, to prevent the humidity get inside here, you are using in this holes we have a small pipe that take inside dry air. The dry air make a high pressure in this area, and it prevents the humidity get in. With that, when it's connected to the board, okay, you can work day and night for unlimited time, and you can open it and it will always will be dry. Now here we can regulate the pressure, that the flow of the air. We can make it plus minus. It depends on the humidity and the temperature that you are working. If you are working on -40, you will like to work on a higher flow, but it's still not a very high flow. Yes, if I put my ear near it, you will not even hear the pressure. Okay, so again, I just have to do it. Look this way, take it out. You can see -40. Now let me put it on high temperature. Okay, let's see it working on 100 degrees. Okay. Now change the set point to 100. First of all, it will change the mode. It stopped cooling the system, and now it will start heating it. And let's wait. You can see the temperature here rising up. We decided that this is the best way to do it, by every 1 second, something like 2 degrees to get up. So we control it. We can do it faster, we can do it slower. We decide what will be the fast that it will go up. Okay, we are already in 66, 69, going up. It's about 2 minutes to go from -40 to 100 degrees, very fast. But as I said before, I can control it. I can do it faster or easier. Okay, now we are already 100 degrees. So let me show that we are very hot here. We'll take some water and put on it. Okay, you see how it boils? And that's it. After I put the water, it's become a little cold and it's fixing it, yes. Let's do it again. Just putting it and it's boiling. It should be. Of course, when we are working in 100 degrees, we are not using the perch. The system don't allow him to work. It's everything automatically. You don't have to do it. It's by himself. Okay, this is a technician screen, we call it. You can see here that for 100 degrees we use only 42% of the power of the system. We can go to 100%. That means that we have from this 40% until 100%. This is the controlling that we can do on the system. Here we can see that there is no pressure now because we don't ask him to press. If we press here, you can see that it will go up 2 kilo, 3 kilo, yes. And what else? You can see here the temperature. We can see here the compressor temperature. See, only 30 degrees, is not working hard. That's all.
This is the tech temperature, yes?
Yes, this is the tech temperature. It's 99 degrees. That's all.